guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha and I'm back with another video. If you guys are new here or if you've not already subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a haul video. If you don't already know, hauls are like my most favorite kind of videos to film because it's an excuse for me to shop, and I also love watching haul videos. So I hope you guys like this video too. Today we are going to be doing a Myntra dresses haul, summer dresses to be precise. So summer is here, it's like 33 degrees Celsius and I just want to wear like comfortable flowy dresses. So that's what this video is about. As you can see, it's like a pink day because I don't know, summers I just feel like wearing pinks and more bright and colorful clothes rather than like plain black, which I do all year round. Special thing about today's haul is that Myntra had been running a sale, so I got all of these dresses under 500 rupees. When you see these dresses, you won't be able to believe that they are under 500 rupees because they are so pretty. So yeah, I think the sale is still going on. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the links down below to these dresses and you can go check them out. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. So for the first dress, I have this solid maroon colored bodycon dress. Now this is from the brand called Sassafras. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right. Myntra पे इसके काफी सारे pieces है, like tops, jeans, trousers, dresses, everything. So I know इसकी quality भी काफी अच्छी होती है. So you can pick things up from this brand. As you can see, it has stripes on like one side of the dress. इसकी length काफी अच्छी है. So if you're uncomfortable wearing like short bodycon dresses, then you can definitely go for this. It's like knee length or even below knee length. Now it's not of the ribbed material, but इसकी quality काफी अच्छी है. It's like thick cotton and it is not see-through at all. तो ये काफी comfortable and breathable है for summers. As you can see, इसका neck, it has like that tank top वाला neck, which is really trendy nowadays. Now I got it in the size extra small. MRP for this dress is 1499, which is 1500 rupees. But I got it at a price of rupees 417. It's a steal at around 400 rupees. So the second dress which I got is again a bodycon dress, and it is this solid brown colored bodycon dress from the brand Forever 21. This color is very in for this season. Now this on the other hand is that very soft cotton material. It is so stretchy. Now I got this in the size M because बाकी sizes available नहीं थे, but I'm so glad I got it in M because it fits me very comfortably. Forever 21 dresses ऐसे भी काफी stretchy होते हैं. So I think L would have fit me too. Since it's like so body hugging, आप इसको आराम से tuck करके as a top भी पहन सकते हो, which is like a really good like 2-in-1 option. इसका length is not very long like the Sassafras one. It's like a mini bodycon dress. The MRP is 799 rupees and I got it for 50% off for 399 rupees, which I think again is a really good price for this dress. Now just a suggestion, before you buy anything on Myntra, you can go through the reviews. Now it's great that Myntra has finally started reviews. I think it just gives a better idea about the quality of the dress, the material, the fit and the sizes, so you can decide the size and also decide if you want to go for the product or not. So the next dress which I have is this floral printed shirt dress from the brand Tokyo Talkies. So as you can see, it is like a shirt collared wala dress. Now I don't really like shirt dresses on me, but इसके collars काफी like छोटे हैं and then इसकी sleeves भी काफी short है, which I think is really nice and it does not give like the look of those boxy shirt dresses. Also its length is perfect. ये ज़्यादा long भी नहीं है, ज़्यादा short भी नहीं है. It has like a ruched detailing in the underbust area and then वहाँ से ये पूरा flared हो जाता है. Also I'm in the size small, which fits me perfectly. इसमें I think तीन ही sizes है, S, M and L. So yeah, I'm in the size small and it fits me so well. So the last but not the least is my most favorite dress from this haul, and it is this peach colored floral empire dress. Now if you don't already know what empire dress is, क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता था, so I googled it. Now empire dresses are one which are like fitted at like the bust line area and not at the waist area, and then वो bust line से नीचे तक पूरा flare करता है. So it basically just gives a better and good shape to your body. Now as you can see, it has this V neckline which looks so pretty. Also it has this fake button detailing. Now इसका sleeves, as you can see, ऐसे cut out overlapped वाला है. I think they are called like lotus sleeves or something, which again looks so pretty. Now ये dress is not cotton material, it's like the comfortable polyester material, so it's like the perfect dress when you want to go out. Also इसमें अंदर lining है, so it's not see-through at all. There's no worry about that. I got it in the size small. Also, it has a zipper at the back, so it's very easy to like get into and get out of. It retails for 1799, which is 1800 rupees. but I got it for 501 rupees, which I think is the least I can pay for this kind of dress. It's so pretty and I absolutely love it. So yeah, these were all of the Myntra dresses that I got. I'm going to be doing a Ajio dresses haul, like summer dresses haul soon, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below which was your most favorite. Mine was obviously clearly the last one. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you soon with another one. Till then, bye.
I know that it's late, but I just wanna say,